How do you create a sustainable competitive edge for your company? Having exceptional technology isn't enough. You also need a smart IP strategy. Welcome to Intellectual Property Strategy and Business Law for Engineers. Together, we'll analyze the playbook used by the world's top innovators. We'll move from the essentials of patents and copyright to the high-stakes world of corporate lawsuits and deals. You will get ahead of the curve by tackling the most critical IP challenges today, from protecting AI inventions to building a solid competitive fortress with your data. Designed for the engineer who wants to lead, the founder who's building the future, and the innovator determined to make a lasting impact. This course equips you with the knowledge and insight to turn your vision into a well-protected, successful venture.